Listen up, gentlemen. Today we are on a journey to master 6 essential skills that every man needs to thrive in this world. This isn't optional. It's a requirement for success. There's no room for excuses or half-hearted attempts. I expect nothing but your absolute best. Dig deep, push harder, and let the fire within you burn brighter than ever before. We're not here to play games. We're here to conquer. Remember, mediocrity is the enemy, and we'll leave it behind. So, gear up, lock in, and let's show the world what real men are made of. Skill number 1, communication. Do you think mumbling your way through conversations and nodding your head is enough? No. Stand tall, articulate your thoughts clearly, and be an active listener. It's time to take control of your conversations. Remember, effective communication isn't just about talking. It's about truly connecting with others. Look them in the eye. Let your words carry weight, and watch how it transforms the way you navigate the world. This skill is your weapon, sharp and ready for every encounter. Embrace it, wield it with finesse, and watch how it sets you apart from the rest. But heed this, for it's not only in the grand speeches that this skill shall serve you. It's in the quiet conversations, the negotiations, and the moments of understanding that it will truly shine. Whether you're in the boardroom or at the kitchen table, your ability to communicate effectively will be your most potent asset. Skill number 2, financial freedom. Are you finding yourself spending too much too often, barely making ends meet? It's time to put a stop to that. Start budgeting, make some smart investments, and secure your financial future. No excuses. Treat your finances like a pro handling a sports team. Get to know the playing field, make strategic moves, and watch your wealth grow steadily. Your financial stability is like a safety net, and it's high time you made it strong. After all, wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about the peace of mind and opportunities it provides. So, take charge, and let's build a foundation of prosperity that'll keep you steady through any storm. Remember, it's not about amassing riches for the sake of it. It's about the freedom it affords you, the ability to pursue your passions and secure your future. Think of your financial journey as a marathon, not a sprint. Each step you take, each wise decision you make is a stride closer to the life you've always envisioned. So let's lace up those financial sneakers and get moving. Take control, make informed choices, and watch how it transforms not only your bank account, but your entire outlook on life. Skill number 3, self-defense. Do you know how to protect yourself and your loved ones? You'd better learn. We're diving into self-defense techniques. It's time to be your own protector. Remember, it's not about being a superhero, but having the basic skills to keep yourself safe in any situation. Think of it like having an insurance policy for your well-being. Learn the moves, practice them, and carry that confidence wherever you go. Your safety is in your hands, and it's high time you took it seriously. Let's make sure you're equipped to handle whatever comes your way. It's not about seeking trouble, but being prepared should it ever arrive at your doorstep. Think of it as a life skill, like knowing how to swim or administer first aid. It's about being proactive, responsible, and ultimately in control. So let's roll up our sleeves, metaphorically speaking, and make sure you're as prepared for life's unforeseen challenges as you can be. Remember, it's not about seeking conflict. It's about having the power to protect what matters most. Skill number 4, cooking. Let's get real about cooking. No more relying on takeout. It's time to own your kitchen. Learn to cook, not just for yourself, but to wow and nourish those you care about. Think of it like a basic life skill, as simple as tying your shoes or driving a car. Cooking isn't just about getting by. It's about thriving. It's about creating moments of shared happiness and satisfaction. So get ready, grab those pots and pans, and let's turn your kitchen into a place of culinary fun. Your taste buds and the folks you cook for will be all smiles. Think of this as taking charge of a crucial part of your independence. No more relying on takeout or packaged meals. You'll have the power to whip up dishes that suit your tastes and keep you healthy. This is about more than just food. It's about feeling proud of what you create. Imagine yourself confidently moving around the kitchen, the sizzle of a hot pan, the smell of herbs and spices, all blending into a delicious symphony. Your kitchen is your kingdom, and with every dish, you'll be the star. Skill number 5, problem solving. All right, enough with the excuses and complaining when problems pop up. Take charge of your life by becoming a pro at figuring things out. Picture it like a detective working through a tricky case. Tackle every challenge with a clear head, break down the problem, and uncover the way forward. This skill isn't just about scraping by. It's about thriving when things get tough. It's about being the go-to person when others need a solution. So, gear up your mental toolkit and let's face every obstacle with the confidence of a true problem solver. Your knack for handling life's hurdles will make you stand out in ways you might not even realize. Remember, it's not just about finding answers. It's about seeing opportunities where others see roadblocks. This skill will not only elevate your personal life, but it will also set you apart in your career and relationships. So, let's sharpen those problem-solving skills and show the world what you're made of. Skill number 6, emotional intelligence. Real strength lies in acknowledging and understanding your emotions, not in bottling them up or feigning indifference. Empathy, understanding, and managing your emotions are essential tools for building robust relationships. Picture it as the adhesive that binds human connections together. Being emotionally intelligent isn't a sign of vulnerability. It's a testament to genuine strength. It's about navigating the intricate dance of human interaction with grace and wisdom. So, open yourself up to the world of emotions, both yours and those of others. Cultivate the ability to forge connections on a deeper level and observe how it transforms not only your personal relationships, but also your professional ones. This skill isn't just about being polite. It's about being a catalyst for positive change in the lives of those around you. Remember, in the realm of emotions, true power lies in understanding, in compassion, and in the capacity to make a meaningful difference. Gentlemen, you've just been handed a roadmap to success. Now, it's up to you to walk the path. These skills aren't optional. They're the building blocks of a remarkable life. The choice is yours. If this video has lit a fire under you, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. It's time to take charge of your destiny. Remember, success doesn't wait for anyone. Now get out there and conquer these skills, because you are destined for greatness. Until next time, make it happen.